Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to be taking a look at a Ford Explorer Limited. We're going to start right away up front where you have the front parking sensors as well as the camera on the front end. Just keep you a little bit safer in those close quarter parking lot situations. You have chrome wheels. Looking at the tread on the tires. Inside, leather interior. Seats are clean all the way throughout. Your second row seats are heated seats, and then you do have a panoramic sunroof up top. One more look down the passenger side, then we're going to swing around to the back end. You have rear backup sensors and a camera. Taking a look inside of the hatch now. There's a 50-50 split on the back seats, so that you can fold those down if you need more room. Power assist liftgate, so simply the press of that button, hatch folds itself down just like that. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, cruise, audio and Bluetooth controls. Full touchscreen, that includes your stereo and navigation. Dual climate control as well as dual heated and cooled seats, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Explorer on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.